In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace. If you've ever opened a listing and felt like important details were missing, don't worry. Most of the time the information is there. It's just tucked away or needs a quick message to unlock. I'll walk you through simple actions that reveal more context. Start by opening the listing and expanding everything you can. In the description, tap See More to reveal the full text. Marketplace often collapses longer descriptions by default, so measurements, model numbers, or pickup notes can be hidden below the fold. Scroll all the way through the details section, not just the first few lines. Then swipe through every photo, even duplicates. Many sellers add shipping info, dimensions, or close-ups directly in the images. Zoom in on labels, tags, or screenshots that might include condition notes or the exact variant being sold. Next, send a short, friendly message. This is the most reliable way to get missing information. You can copy something like, "Hi, is this still available? Could you share more details such as price, condition, and location?" A clear, polite note signals you're serious and usually gets faster replies. If you're flexible on pickup times or can pay promptly, mention that briefly. Sellers are more responsive when they know you're ready to move forward, and they'll often share extra details that aren't in the listing. While you wait, tap the seller's name to open their profile. Look for other listings, ratings and reviews, general location, and selling history. A seller with consistent listings and good feedback is more likely to communicate clearly and honor details like meetup spots and pricing. Scanning their past sales also helps you understand whether they specialize in certain items, which can hint at how accurate their descriptions tend to be. If the listing still leaves you guessing, ask for more visuals. Try. Could you send recent photos or a quick video of the item from all sides? Fresh photos verify current condition and can reveal wear, missing parts, or color variations that aren't obvious in older images. Finally, switch to very specific questions to speed things along. Ask about the last price to understand their lowest acceptable number. Confirm the exact condition, such as new, lightly used, or any defects. Clarify inclusions like boxes, manuals, chargers, or attachments.